Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of the transmission project on my truck. One of the things we did this morning was bring my TV here. As you can see, Aaron's watching the video we just uploaded. But we're stoked because when FD starts, we'll be able to stream FD and work on our cars at the same time. But let's dive back into getting this transmission removed. So on to day 2's list on the window. We gotta finish getting those transmission bolts out. We'll probably start getting the exhaust off because Will struggled and he just couldn't get that last bolt on the top. So we're gonna drop the turbo elbow and pull that out so we can get that last bolt. Alright, so I'm getting this V-band clamp off. V-band clamps are great, dude. They seal really well, but they are shitty to take off, which is a good thing because they get stuck to the exhaust piping. But just got that off. I might have to go underneath and remove the downpipe. Not sure if I can slide it out, but I can almost get my hand on this back bolt that Will was struggling on.
We could probably pull this down pipe down here and at least be able to move it out of the way. I don't know if we'll be able to pull it out.
Let's get that bolt underneath that bolts up the elbow. Is it a 2-bolt flange?
Yeah.
Okay. Probably a nut on the other side.
No, it's just a stud it looked like.
I've been putting the nuts and bolts close to where it might be going.
Okay.
But
Can't really go very far.
lift up, down. What do you want me to do? Lift.
Can you lift up?
That's as high as I can lift it.
Yeah. So until we pull this cross member, I can't really do shit.
Really?
If we pull the rest of your exhaust, I could probably get it out through behind. But does this give you any room to get your hand in there any better?
If you can hold it like that, that'd be awesome.
Like this?
Like there.
Let go? Is that okay?
Yeah. We have been fighting this exhaust. Me and Aaron discussed it, and if we can't get the bolt in by hand, like if we can't get our hand down there and screw a bolt in, then what's the point of trying to get it out? So we're gonna put the tranny jack under the tranny and then undo this cross member. You can see here, it's just right in the way to where we need to angle it and twist it down to get the rest of these bolts off. So put the tranny jack under there and we should be good, hopefully. Yep, that's the way to do it.
need to pull this off.
Yeah, I know. I realized that.
You could have pulled it off yesterday when you're trying to get the.
Does it not hold anything up?
No, it's just.
Oh
a skid
shit!
plate.
I didn't know that. Right in my mouth.
Nice.
Hold on.
These are bigger.
Huh?
Bigger.
The 17?
Yeah.
Where'd the 18 go? Where'd the 15 go? Weren't you using a 15?
For the exhaust, it's on that
Oh, it's right here. Found it.
extension.
Oh, I found it.
This has a lot of rear weight. Grab another jack and put it under this. Dude, there's like probably 3 pounds of just shit caked onto that.
I know.
Now, that's out of the way. Maybe we'll be able to get this exhaust.
Hey, we can't forget that we still need to drop the fucking linkage off the transfer case.
It's unbolted.
Where?
Like where it goes up into the shifter.
So like the whole bracket will
You, like
come
you
down.
could like push that rod that goes up.
I-
Where is it? Right. No. Right up
So
here.
it's not connected to the truck.
No.
Okay, alright.
Come on. I don't understand how people get a full pipe in there. With this pancake pipe, it's ridiculous.
Like you're not any closer than you were before.
So, as you can see, I cannot get this out. I don't even know how people replace it. You want to sit up there and try to...
Yeah, I gotta find something to like sit on because it hurts my knee.
Yeah, it hurts my knee too.
Oh, it's coming.
You got it?
Yep. Oh shit, the socket's in the way. Go back in, bolt. No, go. Oh my god. Fucking got it. That was a bitch. 4 more bolts.
You gotta pull the
Oh, and the tranny cooler. We totally forgot about the tranny cooler.
starter.
I got most of the bolts off the starter. I don't know if it's just like caked on there, but I couldn't hit it loose. There might be one more. Problem with, again, with having metric and no standards. 13 fits on there, but it's loose for these tranny cooler lines. And if I use a 12, it doesn't fit at all. Do you have any standard wrenches, Aaron? Maybe an adjustable? Alright. Thank you. Alright. Alright, so that's broken loose. It's probably going to spill out with fluid, so that one's just need to loosen up the other one. Just need to loosen up the other one. No fluid there. Hopefully this will catch. Doesn't look like it's really leaking except for out of this line. And it's still gonna drip. Again, not sure if you'll be able to see under here, but there's 2 more bolts up here that the exhaust is in the way, but I should be able to get a wrench on it hopefully and get these off. If I can even see. So I got one right here, which I loosened up already. There's that one, and now just the one on the other side. There we go. Tranny is ready to get pulled. Alright, we're gonna pull the tranny now. I just need to hang up this exhaust so it doesn't get in the way.
Oh,
Why would you do that?
look, I didn't know you just had it like fucking.
No, it wasn't up there.
Fucking janky and
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, thanks, Aaron. Alright, so that's on. Now, you want to go to the other side? So you can lower the
Yeah, okay.
other jack. Let's see. Okay, lower this.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. You have to like slide it out too.
Okay, go ahead, Will. So we have to get it off the fucking tranny jack.
Yeah.
What a bitch.
Did you take the turbo off or some shit?
No, just the downpipe.
Hey, get another jack. Get the other jack and put it up under the bell housing here.
Okay. Will's got it. Go ahead.
Here, unhook that chain, Michael. Go ahead, Will.
Hold on. Let me get this one up. Here, I can do that one too.
Just watch it so it doesn't like fall towards you.
Yeah, I am. It's stuck on the corner over here. Lower? Yeah.
Same time?
Hold on. Are we clear? Like, is the flywheel clear? Or the
It should be. I mean, we're way far from it.
What was that? Oh, the dipstick. But it's cool.
Is it gonna, I mean,
It just came out.
okay.
I'm all the way down. No, the trans is out.
It's not gonna clear.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Just gonna slide this bitch up.
Yeah, go ahead.
slide towards
I
that.
don't think the bell housing's gonna clear.
I don't think either, but I want to at least get it. Oh, Jenny, dipstick is leaking.
Why don't you fix it? Plug it with something. Or not. Hold on.
Yeah, I know.
Holding.
Fucking hell. And there's that wrench that you dropped yesterday.
We finally got it out. It was a bitch. I don't know what Aaron just did. Throwing shit over here. But tranny jack helped, but once we got it almost to the ground, it was too tall to clear the truck. So when we actually got it on the ground with 2 jacks, it spilled a little bit of fluid. But it's out. Just need to unbolt the transfer case and then inspect the oil leak up above.
So nice being able to sit and just jam out the music with the car.
Alright, so we got everything done that we had planned to do today. We looked for the leak on the top from underneath and on top, and it's definitely not coming from my turbo, which is what I was thinking, but there's oil sitting in the valley. So we gotta go more in depth of what that could be. But we got the transmission out of the back of the truck. It's from Monster Transmission. They packaged it really well. I ordered it on Black Friday and definitely worth the wait. You know, got fluids, transcooler, flush, and torque converter. So we'll get this in next weekend and show you how it performs. Peace.